What is a collocation? A collocation is a group of words that sound natural when used together. If you want to write and speak like a native English speaker, then you must use collocations. That is, natural-sounding word groupings. If you use collocations, your English will be easier for others to understand, and at the same time, you will be able to understand spoken English faster. Collocations help with speed because our brains find it easier to process set phrases, rather than computing through every single word for meaning. In this lesson, we will learn about collocations in detail. Types of collocation. Collocations exist because, over time, some words have developed natural partners. There are 6 common formats for collocations that are as follows. Adverb plus adjective. Noun plus off plus noun. Verb plus noun. Verb plus adverb. Noun plus verb. Adjective plus noun. Examples of adverb plus adjective. Below are some examples of the collocation format, adverb plus adjective. The boss was extremely interested in your proposal. John is not fully aware of the situation. Your suggestion is utterly ridiculous. Examples of noun plus off plus noun. Below are some examples of the collocation format noun plus off plus noun. John received a round of applause. It was an unusual chain of events. I have bought you a bar of chocolate. Examples of verb plus noun. Below are some examples of the collocation format, verb plus noun. John gave a presentation to the senior managers. He committed crimes to feed himself. Peter caught a cold on the plane. Examples of verb plus adverb. Below are some examples of the collocation format, verb plus adverb. John whispered softly into her ear. I remember vaguely what happened before the crash. Peter waved frantically as the train left. Examples of noun plus verb. Below are some examples of the collocation format, noun plus verb. The dog barks when the doorbell rings. Snow fell all night. The doctor saw Peter yesterday. Examples of adjective plus noun. Below are some examples of the collocation format, adjective plus noun. Peter has a keen interest in politics. Opening the car door was a nice gesture. The heavy rain has caused a lot of problems in the village. Have, take, and make. The verbs have, take, and make are worth a special mention because they have lots of common collocations. Have. have a baby, have breakfast, have fun, have a headache, have a good time. Take. Take advice, take a bath, take a picture, take a shower, take your time. Make. Make breakfast, make a cake, make some tea, make a wish. Thank you.